Alrighty then, hello. In this video, we're looking at another drill. This one is going to take into account correlations and their ability to help you in a reading. Again, in this video, we will not really be looking at the inside of the columns for orders, more so just how it's moving together. So in this way, you get a feel for how when one market moves a tick up or tick down, how it can affect across the similarly correlated market. In this instance, we have our 10-year, our 30-year, and the ultra 30-year. And so it'll be a little bit more volatile than using the 5-year. And so in this drill, what we want to do is we want to place our orders by limit in a market that is lagging behind the rest. So what we want to do is we want to watch to see when, let's say, the ZN was the leader. We'd want to be looking to take a trade on, say, the ZB or the UB. We can see right now this one seems to be ticking more down. And I'm basing this off of quick peripheral vision. This one ticked up again off of coming off these. So I like to think that maybe the ZB is behind. So I'll place an order to buy, place my stop order. And once I get filled, I'll place to get my tick. That one tick difference. We're seeing ticks ups on a UB. Was not able to get the fill. Let's readjust. No ticks up, no ticks down thus far. Tick up, tick up, tick up. So I want to think that the indication here is that the ZB is the laggard. Well, in this case, might have a better chance on our ZN. No fills there. Prices continue to tick up. So we know that in this instance, our trades will have to go on long side until we get met with an opportunity on the curve where they just can't get through a level. They stop ticking up. This similar exercise can be done with things like the NQDS and the YM, but they'll have to happen at a quicker execution rate. We see some tick downs. I want to look to take advantage of it. Place my stop, place my take profit, place take profits. Chances are we might get stopped out, but that's not the importance in this drill. It's just following the leaders and the laggards. Tick down, tick down. Want to see this come along as well. More ticks down. I still have my take profit rating. I'm now at a break even or profit situation. We continue to see tick downs on the UB. ZB tick down heavily as well. It's taking a struggle here to fill it out. I've had some trades go through, but not enough to get the fill. and the trade has completed. That was one quick example of how this drill will work. You continue to do this throughout the session, with it a 30-minute to 1 hour session. If you have replay, it's helpful in that regard, or if you want to do it on a live market. The volatility is not really important, because what you want to see is which ones are leading, which ones are lagging, not necessarily based on orders into the depth, but more so just how it ticks up and down. And then you'll begin to see this complication of when they hit a wall that they no longer be able to tick through, and they begin to tick downwards. And that gives you an idea of where the leaders and the laggards are. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll be making another one soon. Bye-bye.